Hi there! Do you like to sing? Maybe you sing in a choir, or a band, on your own. Maybe you just like to sing in the shower. Maybe you're too afraid to join a choir, but you'd really like to try and learn to sing. Well, if you're a singer or public speaker, if you work in a call centre, or use your voice excessively at work, or you just want to learn how the voice works, and how absolutely anyone, no matter how much experience they have, can learn to sing, watching this video may just change your life. Does your voice get tired or painful after speaking or singing for long periods? Do you tense up when you try and sing high notes? Do you wish you could sing louder? Or that you could hold notes for longer? Maybe you just want to have a go? Well, if you'd like to improve your singing in any way, then help is at hand. Hi, my name's Neil Firth, and I've been helping people get the best out of their voice for a long time now. So if you're a singer or speaker of any kind, then you really should want to know more about your voice and how it works. I've worked with some of the world's best singers and vocal coaches over the years, but now I want to help people all over the world like you develop the voice of your dreams. So as a thank you for watching this short video, if you click the link below, I'll send you my free hints and tips on how you can instantly improve your singing voice starting from today. Start your life-changing journey to a new, improved singing voice right now, and it's completely free. Click the link below. I'll see you soon.